If your iPhone camera is acting a little weird, maybe the colors look off or some settings just don't feel right anymore, don't worry at all. Let's fix this together. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on General. Now slowly scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Right after that, tap on Reset. Then choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, videos, apps or personal data. Everything will stay exactly where it is. This step clears out old or broken settings that may be confusing your camera and other features. At this point, your iPhone may ask for your passcode, and that's totally normal. So just enter it, then tap Reset All Settings again to confirm. Once you do this, your iPhone will restart and apply fresh default settings. So by doing this, your camera related problems will be fixed fully. And that's it. If you would like to learn more simple iPhone tips like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video.